Here 7 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 8. 9 plus 11 plus 30 is equal to 5. So some things are given and they have asked the value of 23 plus 4 plus 15. So here if you add 7 plus 9 plus 10, you will get 26. If you add 9 plus 11 plus 30, you will get, this is 20 plus 30 is 50. You will get 50. If you add 11 plus 17 plus 21, you will get 28 plus 21 is 49. So this is what we get if we add this number. But it says that this is equal to 8. This is equal to 5. This is equal to 13. So if we can somehow relate this to this and this to this and this to this, then we can find out the answer here. And you know that 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 4 plus 9 is 13. So in this way we can find out the answer. So 23 plus 4 plus 15 is actually 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 15 is 42. So if you add 4 plus 2, you will get 6. So the answer is option A, 6.